In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Vinted account. Vinted is a straightforward marketplace for buying and selling pre-loved fashion and home items, and getting your account ready only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect and how to make smart choices along the way. Start by opening your web browser and going to vinted.com. Double check you're on the official site. Look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar so you know your information is protected. At the top right of the homepage, click Sign Up. A sign up page or pop-up will appear. If you see another sign up button inside that window, click it to proceed to the account creation options. You'll now choose how you want to create your account. You can continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. These options are fast because they pull your basic details from an existing account, and you won't need to remember yet another password. Just make sure you're comfortable connecting services and that you're signed in on your device. If you prefer to keep things separate, select Register with Email. If you register with email, fill out the form carefully. In the full name field, enter your real first and last name, since it can appear on shipping labels and in buyer or seller communications. Next, create a username. This is what other people will see on Vinted, so pick something unique, easy to read, and appropriate for your style or shop. Avoid including personal or sensitive information in your username. Enter your email address. Use an inbox you check regularly because important notifications and security messages will be sent there. Now create a password. Choose a strong one with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't reuse passwords from other sites and consider a password manager for extra security. The zip code field is optional. Adding it can help personalize shipping options and delivery estimates in your area, but you can leave it blank if you prefer not to share that detail yet. Before moving on, check the checkbox to confirm you agree to Vinted's terms and privacy policy. It's worth taking a moment to review how your data is handled and the rules of the platform so you know what's allowed. When everything looks right, click Continue. This submits your details and creates your account. You may see on-screen guidance or prompts tailored to your setup. That's it. You've learned the essential path to set up your Vinted account. Go to the site, open Sign Up, choose a method, enter your details, confirm the checkbox, and continue. You're now ready to explore, list items, and start browsing with confidence.